Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am doing the third part of this Last Lash to Go by Sephora. It's a Sephora Paris kit. So I already tested out the Rare Beauty. I just really tested out the Benefit Bad Gal Mascara, and today I am doing the Rise Mascara by Milk. Milk Beauty. Milk Beauty is a cleaner formula, and so yeah. So I'm trying to get into it. This is a Slash Dash to Go kit. It is $6 Canadian. I don't like how it has the info stuff right. Maybe if they had it above it, but like, no, they have it right where you have to break it, get into it. Okay, it is a curve, so a bit of a curve. Okay, so this is gonna be a different one again. I tried the Kush one. They had a Kush one in the past kits, and I did not care for that one. That one, I believe, Kush mascara kind of irritated my eyes. So hopefully this one does not do that. I'm wondering what full size price is on this. Okay, so it is a $37. It's a $37 mascara. So if you get this one mascara, hopefully it works. You get the value of this kit. It is rated fairly good. Clean at Sephora. I'm not gonna read any reviews because it's gonna. Hoping it is a different mascara formula than the Kush, because the Kush I didn't care for. So I do like when there is so far. I like the style of the. I prefer like these style wands. As a pro, and then I don't mind the curvature of the wand itself. So that's hopefully the wand itself is on my side. It's just, and it's also not very. It's just different form, and also stiffer style wand, because some of the wands get too flexible, and if you're like me, you're your girl on the go. You gotta go to work. You're more concerned with mascara getting all over the place on your face instead of on your lashes. So hopefully this works out. The wand is a little bit rough feeling, but Okay, so far it's not clumping my lashes, which I like. I don't like, I don't mind, like, I like the fuller lash look, not the clumpy lash look. That's personally for me. Like, I don't like my lashes clumped together, but like if it did maybe like a fuller look lash, I don't mind. But some of them you can add on top of it, build it up, which is when you can a little bit. The rare one does a little bit better job on that one. Oh no. But the one's perfect for the lower lash line. And so yeah, I got a little bit there, which got it off and nice. So I was missing the other lash line here. I have little lashes here. Okay, so let's see how well this goes throughout the day at work. It's a Frozen Friday day again. So I think it's a good good test on that one. And yeah. As long as my eyes don't start getting irritated by it, which so far is a good sign. Not getting irritated, because I found it really irritating my eyes. I'm pretty sure that one's in one of these kits, and I will see if I can link that review above as well, because I think this is my third kit I'm testing out, like reviewing these kits. Let's see how well this rolls at work for the next few hours. It is 8:45, and I will see you guys in a little bit later on tonight. Hey guys, welcome back. I am doing my final check-in of this mascara, Milk Rise Lifting Mascara. This one right here. I had this on all day for a while. I'm ready to go remove my makeup now. I'm ready to go to bed. So yeah, so let's check on in, all that stuff. My light looks bright today. Ooh, I need to go to bed. So yeah, so I am very, very tired. So my final thoughts of this mascara is I like it. It feels like I need to give it a second chance. It didn't irritate my eyes. That's a good thing considering the last time I wore a milk mascara. The Kush formula irritated me. So far I recommend the Rare Beauty one. Then I'll say the Rise. Then the Benefit. So for those are the three I've tried both so far. The milk one I like it, but I don't like it quite yet. Like, I'm not 100%, like, I'm on like on that 50-50 line with it. The Bad Gal one, like, I know it's more over there. It could use improvement type thing. So yeah, I am gonna give the Ilia one Limitless Lash Mascara another try run. Yeah, style mask one. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a second chance for sure. So because I'm enjoying the volumizing one, I'm gonna give that one a second chance. It might wear really good together. Let's see if that one might work together. Maybe it might do. So yeah, I post 2 videos twice a week on Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. PST. Don't subscribe, don't ring a bell, and I'm ready to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, night. Have a good one.